Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just reviews. Thank you so much for joining me. I got a real special unboxing from a micro brand by the name of Matthew & Sons. And I actually requested this piece of artwork. This will not come with this watch. This was actually what came with the initial Irukandji divers, which I do own one. And you can go and check out my videos. I want to list it down below. I did the unboxing and full review of this diver, and let me tell you, this is one of the few watches I could say that is near perfect when it comes to every single aspect of this watch. I'm able to actually switch this watch back and forth between me and my fiance because it is a 42 millimeter diameter case, but it wears smaller because of the case and the way that it actually the way that it's thicker at the bottom, and it actually tapers up, so it actually wears smaller. Love this watch, and huge shout out to Matthew & Sons for this one. But also want to give a shout out to Tate for this beautiful artwork that inspired the Irukandji watch. I want to say hi to Tate. What's up, buddy? Thank you so much. Tate is the son in Matthew & Sons, so he is indeed the co-owner of this company, and I love that. Love that so much. So thank you so much for that piece of artwork. But you guys are here for the unboxing of their new dress watch. So with no further ado, let's just dive into it. It's got some nice packaging. You can see that folds down. It makes it easy for us to get to the leatherette case, and it is done nicely. This is definitely a step up from the packaging from the Irukandji diver. But I didn't have any qualms with it. The Irukandji diver came in a travel pouch, which is very different, and I like it when companies utilize packaging that is actually useful after the fact, so I could actually use the pouch for traveling as opposed to a simple box, typical watch box that you typically just throw out in a closet and never use again. This here also looks like something you can use as a travel box because it's not so bulky and it's streamlined. You can definitely fit this in a suitcase. So it's leather, leatherette, and you've got the stitching, and it's just really well done. So kudos to you guys on the packaging. And we lift up, and we got Matthew & Sons embossed as well on the inside with a contrasting leatherette color. This is definitely a white, so black and white always looks good together. And here is the watch. Oh yeah, beautiful, guys, beautiful. Beautiful, I should say, not beautiful. But here we go. I like this. This is nice. You can actually use this, as I said. So again, another usable, more usable packaging from Matthew & Sons. Very smart. So here is the watch. This is the rose gold with the blue dial. And let's just peel this back so we can reveal the true essence of the diver. And there we go. Check that out, guys. Definitely has been, I've been looking forward to this for a while, and I'm so glad to have gotten it in for the unboxing. But yeah, this is a beautiful, clean piece. And then we take a look at the case back. We can also take the sticker off, and we'll reveal the etching on the back. Check that out. They always do such a nice job on the etching of the cases. All right, so let's take a look at this case back. So this one has the Miyota 90-39 movement, so it's an upgraded movement from the Seiko NH35. 50 meter water resistance. You're not going to take this in the pool with a leather band, and it's a dress watch, so it's definitely not a diver. So definitely okay with the water resistance. Sapphire crystal stainless steel. And this is definitely the rose model. And again, really nice job. These guys are known for their engravings. I mean, look at the irukandji. Look at that. So, I mean, it's really done nicely. You've got the contrasting bead blasting, and you got the high polish on the details of the engraving there. It's just really done nicely. So this is a protective covering as well. So looks like my computer is ready to go. Good for you. Thanks for the interruption. Let's take this off, just like so. These are a pain to get off sometimes. And you know what? I love the blue. Sometimes I wish that they just did like maybe a blue cabochon, especially like with a dress watch like this. So I'm a little disappointed that it wasn't an actual, maybe blue jewel. I mean, even if it's just, a lab-grown jewel, doesn't matter. These are always hard to get off, so I'm going to have to work on that a little bit later. But let's take a look at the star of the show, which is the dial. Very, very clean dial. There's no detail on the dial, which this watch is actually inspired from vintage pieces. So inspiration behind this watch comes from Matthew's grandfather, John Crosson Barnes, who moved his family from Scotland to Australia in the mid-1960s. So this particular watch that you see here, the JCB Rose, has the modernized styling with some personal added flavor without sacrificing the charm of the original inspirational watch. So you can tell by the font and just the cleanliness of the dial. Done very, very well. This leather band, man, beautiful. I definitely want to get this on the wrist, but let's just take off all of the protectiveness that's going on here. So this is the buckle, and the buckle is protected very well. And this is also rose gold with the MAS logo. Very, very nicely done. So today I'm wearing the Tissot V8 Swissmatic. This is definitely a very nice sports watch. I'm really enjoying this piece. As you can see, this one also has some rose gold elements as well. So let's trade this one off for the Matthew & Sons. Right away, I feel the comfort. It feels light. And I'm not really feeling the presence on the wrist, which is what you would feel. That's basically what you would feel with a vintage piece. And there it is on the wrist, guys. First time ever with this watch. And I'll have to say, it's a nice piece. Very, very clean. This is the kind of watch that you could wear around your father, your grandfather, and I think they would admire it. It's very classy and very clean. So this actually does have a screw down crown. There's no complications except for telling time. So all you gotta do is just click it out one position and you're setting the time. Just like that. Very, very simple. And then you just push in and this crown will screw in. Just like so, and there you go. But just one last look at the beauty of this. I'm going to do a full review on this, so I'll give you guys all of the measurements. I'll give you guys a lume shot and just really kind of dive into some of the specifications of the watch and just kind of go over some more details of this piece. But I would like to wear it around and really give you guys a first-hand perspective of how this is to wear, how it looks in different lights, and just how it feels on the wrist. So until then, always remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I will see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless, my friends.